Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria and today we're at Blizzard Beach. I am so excited. This is technically my second time here, but I don't remember it because I was little. But we're gonna have a great time. It's gonna be so much fun. We're about to go. I have my phone ready to go. Oh, it's facing the wrong way. I have my phone ready to go. I'm so excited. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go and have some fun at the water. I don't know if you can hear me correctly. If not, please put closed captions because you're in a bag right now, or like the phone case bag thing, so that my phone doesn't get wet. But we already got our spot and we're gonna go to the kids area. So we're in the kiddie area right now because my little cousins are here, so they're playing, and then we'll go to like the fun stuff later. But let me show you the kids area because it's really cute. So we're now here at the wave pool, the main area. I am so excited, like you don't understand. I am so thrilled. Let me show you because it's so cool and it's so packed. It's just like a fun time. Hola, update. I am soaked. We were in the wave pool for a while and it was so much fun. But now I think we're gonna go get food. So I'll show you guys what we eat and where we eat. Okay, so we're here now. We are sitting at a table outside with an umbrella over us. Super cute, love to see it. We are at, I'm gonna butcher this, as always, Lotta Lodge. I'll insert a picture right here of what it looks like so you guys can see. But yeah, we're gonna eat. Okay, so I'm in the middle of eating now, and these chicken tenders are so good. So good. Also, we got this super cute refillable mug. I'm not gonna drink it because it has my mom's Coke in it and I don't like Coke. Okay, so now we're gonna do downhill double dipper. I'm really excited, really nervous. Actually, I'm not that nervous, to be honest. I think it's gonna be fun. We got our tubes. We're going. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so we just got done with downhill double dipper. That was so much fun. What do you think?
It was amazing.
That, I have no words. That was really thrilling, and I was nervous to go on it, but it was totally fine. I loved it. But now we're gonna go find the rest of our family and then see what else to do, and I'll let you in. Also, I didn't get to record me on the ride because I just wanted to enjoy it, and also I was like kind of nervous. So I'll insert a clip right now. So my mom and I are here, and we're gonna ride runoff racers. So we have to go pick up our tubes right here, and then I'll catch in with you guys when we go. We got our tubes, and that's the ride right there. I'm really excited. This seems like a really fun ride, so I'll try to record some if I can. Dream of you, can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you, can I help it if I dream of you? Of you, dream of you, can I help it if I dream of you? Okay, so we just got off the ride and it was really fun. Now we're gonna go head to the lazy river. Okay, so we just came out of that cave that wet us so much. Like, that water was so cold, but we're having a grand old time here. Fantastic. All right, guys, so we are in the car now. We've left Blizzard Beach. We actually closed the park, which is so fun. I had a great time today. I hope you all had a great time as well following along. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for weekly Disney videos. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!